Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie and I am bringing you a really quick update slash better review of how I store my kits and collections. I guess I didn't do a very good job when I went through that section in my Craft Room Clean With Me series. So this is just going to be a little quick update so people can see exactly what it is that I do. So down here on this bottom shelf is where I keep all my Hip Kit Club kits that I haven't used yet. And I've been storing most of them in these Studio Calico 12x12 bags, and that seems to work pretty good. And then I have a couple SAT sampler kits left that I have not used, and I just keep them in the bags that they come in and just stick them in the front. As far as the collections go, I store those up here in my closet, and you can see, let me see if I can zoom out a little bit here. You can see that I have a hanging bar in my closet like most closets do. And all I did was I just took a coat hanger or a clothes hanger. I put my collection in a Ziploc bag and then I clipped it with these binder clips. And then I have these sort of sorted by manufacturer. Occasionally I get lazy and I don't put the binder clips on, and this is what I've done instead, is I just hang it over the hanger. So you can see that I just loop the handle of the bag over the hanger. That makes sense. So that's pretty much it. I do have it kind of sorted in that my Christmas is up here at the front, and then I have travel. Let me see. Travel, and then I have it by manufacturer. And this way it's really easy to just kind of quickly flip through and see what I've got and pull it down, and it's really easy to clean up, put it back in the bag, and stick it up at the top. When I no longer feel like I have enough to store as a collection, or I'm just tired of using it as a collection, then I dismantle it and move whatever's left in with the rest of my stash. I hope that helps and that clears up a few things. Until next time, happy crafting.